Hello there and welcome to episode 150 of The Daily Shed. Today I'm going to show you the very beginning of Suicide is Painless, otherwise known as the MASH theme song. It's a technique where you have to let everything ring out as long as possible while you're doing some movement. So it's a pretty basic technique, but one that you'll be using again and again and again. So it's based around an A minor chord. And this is the whole riff. You just play through the A minor chord with the bass note, the open A string, and second fret on the D string. And then you play the G string and B string at the same time. And then play them again, open. So, okay. What I usually do is I hit my thumb on the A string and then on the D string, and then use my index and middle finger to pluck once, and then again with them being open. That whole time, I'm leaving I use my middle finger. You can use any middle finger, any finger you want, on the second fret of the D string. So, like that. And you just want the A string to keep ringing out. You want that second fret of the D string, it's an E. You want that to keep ringing out. And you want those strings to ring out after you pull them off. So, it's a good exercise just for learning to play very cleanly and learning to be able to let strings ring out as long as possible without your other finger, right hand fingers getting in the way. So, let's repeat that. I enjoyed the sound of all those four strings ringing out together. So I hope it's useful to you. Please let me know any comments or questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.